Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope you all fine. Today I wanna present about genetically modified food or GM food. What I'm gonna explain in this presentation is first definition and example, and then data usage of GM food, and then pro and cons, and then the last is my personal view about GM foods. And then definition of GM food. Genetically modified or GM food are the type of plants whose DNA has been modified through genetic engineering for embedding a new trait to the plant which does not occur naturally in the species. Foods produced from or using GM organisms are often referred to as GM food. And then example of GM food, first is corn. Resistance to insect pests, specifically the European corn borer, through expression of the insecticidal protein Cry1F from Bacillus thuringiensis. And then it's rice, three genes for the manufacture of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A in the endosperm of the rice prevent its removal from host during milling. And then number three is canola. High laureth levels achieved by inserting the gene for ACP theosterase from the California Bay tree Umbellularia californicae. And then data of GM food usage in the US. The United States had the largest area of genetically modified crops worldwide in 2018 at 7.5 million hectares, followed by Brazil with a little over 51.2 million hectares. In terms of acreage, the most commonly genetically modified crops are soybeans, corn, cotton, and rapeseed as of 2017. And then data of GM food usage in Indonesia. The plants that have been developed in Indonesia as GMO products include rice, sugarcane, tomatoes, cassava, papaya, and potatoes. And then pro and cons about GM foods. Pro, GMO may have fewer pesticides, and then GMO are usually cheaper, and then the last, GMO may have more nutrients. For the cons, GMO might cause allergic reaction, and then GMO may increase antibiotic resistance. And the last is my personal opinion about GM food. I think the GM food technique is very beneficial for nature because the use of pesticide is less than when planting ordinary plants. For example, BT corn is a GMO crop that has a gene aid from Bacillus thuringiensis, a naturally occurring soil bacteria. This gene causes the corn to produce a protein that kills many pests and insects, helping to protect the corn from the damage. And then Norris says, instead of having to be sprayed with a complex pesticide, these crops come with an innate pesticide. This means that farmers don't need to use as much pesticide on crops like BT corn. A 2020 study found that farmers with GMO crops reduced their pesticide use by 775.4 million kilograms. It means 80.3% between 1996 and 2018. The use of fewer pesticides in crops may lead to fewer health risks for people eating them and less damage to the environment. Until here, thank you for your attention. I hope you all get some information from my presentation that I've been explained. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.